Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the silver price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and looking at the all-time history. We are looking here at several scenarios between a bullish and bearish. Let's go with a quick overview with them. And we have of course an ABC toward the upside where we finished a wave 1 in a leading diagonal. Of course you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Or potentially you finished a wave A in 3 waves up, 3 waves down for your wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave C. After this, you're looking, of course, for 3 waves towards the downside, of course, and you're looking for higher later on. Meaning you are possibly, of course, in your bearish scenario here, where you have an A, B, and a C, of course, where you want to finish this wave B after a big wave A, B, and a C. Currently, of course, you have 3 waves up and we don't see any kind of impulse yet. We have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, so be careful from the bearish that it might unfold first for a wave C and then continuation for higher prices. In another bullish scenario, it can be, of course, in case this is an impulse toward the upside, where we see, of course, a very old history here before the 1960s. We have kind of a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as an impulse. So it can be a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the upside. Now, the bearish scenario, as we have mentioned, of course, it might be a bigger wave C toward the downside and then continuation toward the upside, meaning all these bullish scenario might shift, of course, to this side. If we dive a little bit closer on the weekly here or on the daily inside our move toward the upside, as you can see, in this wave, we have a wave A here, and that because of the corrective shape that it took here. I know that it looks like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but your wave 3 is the shortest between your wave 1 and the wave 5, meaning no impulse here. This is a corrective wave A, and we're looking potentially, even your wave A, by the way, it can be here simply as a zigzag ABC, and you're looking for a flat here, expanding flat for a wave B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish, of course, an A B, and a C. Yeah, so we have to be careful with it. Again, a wave C can end up our bearish scenario wave B here. Yeah, so wave B meaning once you're done here, you would like to move with a wave C toward the downside. Otherwise, you would like to see here something like much more impulsive. And what I mean with it, of course, on a bigger view here, you would like to see something like this, something very high. So this can transform to double 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to hit the target nicely, of course, for a wave 5 here. In case we are, of course, in a final wave 4 and a 5 for this leading diagonal, you would like to see a very nice zigzag, meaning this has to transform into double 1, 2s. Otherwise, it's not really nice. We need to take the high. If we don't take the high, that would be not really good. So we have to be careful from the bearish here. And if we take here, of course, the fib levels for a zigzag in a wave C, here we go. You can see that the 1-to-1 fib level. This is a very important signal, by the way. You have to take it as a reference here. If we reach only the 1-to-1 fib level and start to move impulsively toward the downside, this is a signal for your wave C as bearish. Why? Because finished zigzag here, not taking the high, and then moving toward the downside. And what does it mean? It means anyway that you finish your leading diagonal as well, because based on Elliott wave, your wave 5 in leading diagonal can be truncated. What does it mean? It means that you fail to take the high. You finish with a nice zigzag, but you fail to take the high. This still plays as a leading diagonal. And once this leading diagonal is finished and done, you would like to move toward the downside for a wave 2 anyway. In a big wave 1, 2, meaning this wave 1 here can transform to this side and having big wave 2 here. Of course, your wave 2 has to be from there, 3 waves toward the downside, and then continuation for higher. So very essential key level here. If we overshoot this, that would be much preferable. because you would like at least to take the high, yeah, at least to take, like here you took the high in a very few cents, yeah, or yeah, very few cents or dollar potentially, yeah, $1 difference, yeah, between the wave 3 and the wave 1. So preferably that we take the high, and preferably that we touch at least the $51 here. I would say let's take exactly the $50. That would be a very nice psychological number. Let me check. Yes, so your wave 3 is $49.8. So preferably that we take exactly the 50. Yeah, so $50 would be preferable. And I'm saying this because your wave A here, it's true that it looks sharp, but it's not really enough to reach higher. This is a problem unless you get an extended wave C, which is a little bit yeah, less possibility in double 1-2s. However, you would like to see double 1-2 rather than 1-2-3-4-5. Let's move back inside it. What I mean was double 1-2s here is the following. Let me put everything there. And yeah, what I mean was this. I think that's too much on the 1 hour. Yeah, let's take a look back here. What I mean with this, of course, is that you would like to see, of course, higher prices reaching here higher than the wave 3. Yeah, so of course we would like to see a double 1-2 here. Now it's true that this is a wave 3 here, can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but preferably that it is 1, 2, preferably. Yeah. As you can see, we have a lot of 1-to-1 flip level already taken before, but potentially, like, yeah, we hit already the blue box and we're still looking for higher. As you can see, wave 3 is preferable. So we're gonna see, of course, what's gonna happen. Oh, this scenario is already there, by the way, on the 1 hour chart. Yes, so preferably this scenario occur here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That would be nice. Overshooting the 1-to-1 fib level, almost over $50. Exactly. This is what I want to show you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Best scenario. Yep. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen now inside here. If we are in a 1-2, yeah, your wave 2 is not finished yet. Yeah, it's not finished. And yeah, as 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation, no impulse here. There is no impulse, no diagonal. Double 1-2 also not, because already invalidated, meaning corrective, and we're still looking for lower, guys. Lower meaning, yeah, potentially 1-to-1 and 1.05 between. Of course, this box would be great. I prefer, let's call this box here, it would be a perfect wave 2. Actually, the 0.23 is a very rare case scenario for a wave 2. Therefore, 1 ABC wave 2, moving towards the upside starting from the $27. That was it for the silver. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.